Hello and welcome to the postgraduate program offered by the McCombs School of Business at the University of Texas in Austin in collaboration with Great Learning. My name is Kumar Muthuraman and I'm a professor in the McCombs School of Business. Our top-ranked analytics program has been designed to provide learners with a highly impactful curriculum that allows for a great learning experience. It is a hands-on and application-oriented program taught by world-class faculty and mentored by industry experts. At the end of the program, you will have a broad and in-depth training in machine learning, optimization, visualization, and big data. Business analytics and data sciences are one of the fastest growing fields, and there is a high demand for graduates who can apply data science to solve business challenges. Our program will give you highly marketable skills that will have a significant impact on your career and business organizations that you will work for.